Welcome, Grade 12 scholars, to the International Online School. Today, we are excited to explore Chapter 19 of our chemistry course, Carbonyl Compounds 1, Aldehydes and Ketones, meticulously designed according to the Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with chemistry. Let's dive into Chapter 19, Carbonyl Compounds 1, Aldehydes and Ketones, an essential aspect of chemical studies. In this overview, we dive into nomenclature and structure of aldehydes and ketones, preparation of aldehydes and ketones, reactivity of aldehydes and ketones, acid and base catalyzed nucleophilic addition reactions, chemistry of aldehydes and ketones, reductions to hydrocarbons, alcohols, using carbon nucleophiles, nitrogen nucleophiles, and oxygen nucleophiles, oxidation reactions of aldehydes and ketones, isomerism in aldehydes and ketones. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. We'll begin with nomenclature and structure of aldehydes and ketones. This lesson focuses on the systematic naming conventions and molecular structures of aldehydes and ketones. Students will learn to accurately name and understand the structural intricacies of these carbonyl compounds. Next, we'll discuss the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Building on the understanding of nomenclature, students will explore various methods for preparing aldehydes and ketones, including ozonolysis of alkenes, hydration of alkynes, oxidation of alcohols, and Friedel-Crafts acylation of aromatics. Following that, we'll cover the reactivity of aldehydes and ketones. In this lesson, students will describe and compare the reactivity of aldehydes and ketones. Understanding their distinctive reactivity patterns is crucial for predicting their behavior in various chemical reactions. Next, we'll delve into acid and base catalyzed nucleophilic addition reactions. Students will explore the mechanisms of nucleophilic addition reactions of aldehydes and ketones under acid and base catalysis. This knowledge is essential for predicting the outcomes of these reactions. Following that, we'll define the chemistry of aldehydes and ketones, reductions to hydrocarbons and alcohols, using carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen nucleophiles. This lesson covers the diverse reactions of aldehydes and ketones, including their reduction to hydrocarbons and alcohols, and reactions with various nucleophiles. Students will gain a comprehensive understanding of these transformations. We'll then develop an understanding of the oxidation reactions of aldehydes and ketones. Students will describe the oxidation reactions of these carbonyl compounds. Understanding how aldehydes and ketones can be oxidized is crucial for predicting their behavior in different synthetic pathways. In the final lesson, we'll describe isomerism in aldehydes and ketones. Students will learn about the different types of isomerism exhibited by these carbonyl compounds, enhancing their ability to analyze and differentiate molecular structures. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy-to-read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam-ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Completing this course means not just achieving good grades, but excelling and aiming for A+ results. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way for success. So, let's begin with Chapter 19 and embark on this enriching journey of chemistry, crafted to ensure your success at the International Online School.